You ever had that gut feeling? Something's just not right and you need to protect yourself or your child? That's where restraining orders come in. But getting one isn't as simple as just asking a judge. Let me walk you through what it really takes to get a restraining order and what you need to know if you're worried about who files first or about protecting your child. First things first, eligibility. To get a restraining order, you have to show the other person's done something like harassment, stalking, threats, abuse, or even sexual assault. Your relationship with that person matters too. Is it an ex, a family member, a roommate, or a stranger? That can change what kind of order you're allowed to ask for. Next, you've got to go to court, usually your local family or civil courthouse. Some places let you start the paperwork online, but it's worth checking your local rules. When you're there, you'll fill out a petition. This is where you lay out exactly what happened, with as much detail and evidence as you can. Texts, photos, police reports, all of it. The stronger your proof, the stronger your case. Once you file, a judge usually looks at your request pretty quickly. If they see you're in immediate danger, they might issue a temporary restraining order right then and there. That order is just the start though. The other person has to get officially notified, usually by the sheriff. You can't hand them the papers yourself. Then comes the big one, the court hearing. This is where both you and the other person can tell your sides of the story. Bring your evidence. Bring witnesses if you have them, and be ready to explain why you need protection. If the judge believes you, they'll issue a final restraining order. Sometimes for months, sometimes years, and sometimes it can even be permanent. Now here's a question I get a lot. Does it matter who files first? Sometimes yes. The first person to file often sets the story in the judge's mind. They look like they're asking for help, not just reacting. But remember, judges are trained to spot when someone's just filing out of revenge. So real evidence is what matters most. Worried about your child? If you have a restraining order with specific rules about the child, you can absolutely ask the court to stop the other person from traveling with your kid. You can even ask the court to hold the child's passport, or add a no-travel clause. If you're scared someone might flee with your child, tell the court, don't wait. Bottom line, restraining orders are powerful, but the process is serious. Always keep records, always get legal advice, and if you're ever in danger, call for help right away. If you want more info on restraining orders or need help finding resources in your area, drop a comment below. Stay safe out there.